Hello everyone, welcome. So today we'll be talking about bird flu and how it spreads all over. So we'll also be explaining how bird flu affects humans. So let's get started. So let's move on. This is the graph which shows import and sales of birds, which is the main cause of bird flu. Let's take an example. 161 deaths in Jammu and Kashmir, which is mainly because of the import of chicken, which is the main cause of bird flu. There are also some bird flu free states like Telangana, as you can see, no deaths reported. In the bottom, you can also see Kerala with 70,000 birds called as bird flu confirmed. Let's move on a bit. Domesticated birds, which are chicken and turkeys, may become infected with avian influenza, which is bird flu, a virus through direct contact with infected waterfowl or other infected poultry, which are birds, or through contact with surfaces that have been contaminated with virus, bird flu. The graph which you can see on your screen is of the bird flu outbreak and it shows how to be aware of this. Direct contact, like you should not touch your nose, eyes, or mouth after you have a direct contact with a sick bird. Contaminated surface, you should not touch any contaminated surface which has been affected by the bird flu, or rather, the sick bird was being placed at the surface. A fact which we already talked about, that the bird flu enters via your eyes, nose, or mouth. This graph on your screen shows the risk factors and the birds under threat of bird flu. You can just go through it.